Halloween ring doorbell setting for this spooky season.
Oh, fire burn, cauldron bubble, leave your message on the double!
Trick or treat, smell our feet, leave a message at the beep.
Be right there. I'll be right there to greet you.
Tell us what brings you here, or we'll put a spell on you.
You've just awoken the spirits that haunt this house. Hurry and leave a message before it's too late.
Just a minute. Feel free to park your broom.